Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have Algorand algo update, guys. Let's see what we'll do. A daily update, and of course we need to have a bullish cross on the market in the daily frame and some other important things that I will show you afterwards. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share. And of course, guys, you can join our Telegram group chat. We discuss many things about the cryptocurrency market and not only. So right here we are, guys, you can see that we are approaching the 94 cents. We have gone above the 91, 92, and now we want to go to and retest the 1.06, a very important resistance level. Once we break that, guys, we are going upwards. Let's see what we need though to reach this level here. I started my Fibonacci retracement, guys, from this top right here, 7th May, as you can see, ending up, guys. If I zoom out a bit, you can see it clearly, ending up towards the 23rd May that we had. The reason is I want to find short-term resistance levels, and the most important one for now is the 94 cents around this area right here. You can see a 1.06. so for the MACD, what we wanted is to break this resistance level right now for the 4-hour frame. The reason is we want to still be making higher lows. You can see here we want to be making higher lows, eventually breaking this resistance level and going even further above. It will be great for Algorand if we do that. And now we are ready to go to Algorand against USDT in the 4-hour frame on the RSI. This pattern we need to still follow for higher lows, guys, and of course if we can break this resistance level and form higher highs as well. It is very important on the 4-hour frame, and the reason is, guys, that the moment we see this, we actually know that we are going upwards. Okay, for the commodity channel index we need the same, and we are doing the same. We stopped here, guys, eventually that's what happened, and now we want to go even above this line right here. We don't stand in an overbought situation as we are inside this gray zone. However, we are about to go in an overbought situation. We hope for the commodity channel index to surpass and go even further above the 100, because as you know, in this area right here we are having an overbought situation, therefore a selling opportunity, right? So for now we are removing the drawings, and you can see that according to the SL channel we are having a buying opportunity. We are above the 20-day EMA as well. This is looking good, guys. Of course, for the daily frame I will go to the MACD. That's what we need. The sign that we need to see a bullish cross is right here. Once we see that and the further distance between the lines, we are about to go to the 1.06 USDT for sure. But we need to see this bullish cross, because there are many times that we might get rejected here, or we might see a bullish cross and actually not gaining the further distance we need, and then having immediately a bearish cross. Although if Bitcoin crashes, this won't happen, guys. Eventually we will go all the way down, but that is another factor we will discuss later. Right now let's go, guys, to the MACD, and of course the MACD, not the MACD, guys, we saw the MACD. Let's go to the Bollinger Bands. You can see here when we extend the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, we are going back inside up, so it is a great buying opportunity. Normally it is a great buying opportunity. Right now for Algorand we need to go, we have room to grow, and we need to grow for the daily frame for the commodity channel index, guys. We need to grow furthermore. Okay, we don't want to stop, for example, let's say here, and eventually go down again. We have room to grow, but we need to perform an upside situation for the price. Okay, so for the RSI on the daily frame we need the same. We need to stop seeing lower lows. Eventually we need to start seeing higher highs, and we hope for Algorand this is the case. Let's see now if we can make the bullish cross on the MACD on the daily frame, guys. And though we should go to Algorand against Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame. For Algorand against Bitcoin, we need to see a bullish recross here between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. That's the reason that Algorand doesn't move so much upwards like many other altcoins now. That's the reason that it stays a little bit behind for Algorand against USDT, okay? Because we don't outperform Bitcoin. We are a bit down on the downside trend, guys. You can see here on the declining pattern where we see lower highs, but we eventually now might start to see higher lows. So we are getting into a squeeze point, guys, where we will see where we will go. Of course, we hope that we can go upwards and retest the 0.4025 to 26. We want to break this level right here. After we break this, then it's all good. For now, we need a push up to the price and push up to the Algorand against Bitcoin. We are not in an overbought situation. We want to just go above here. Same for the RSI on the 4 hourly frame. Okay, so these are what we need, and of course we need to go above the 200 EMA, the white line right here. So for Algorand against Bitcoin, the daily frame, guys, let's see a major important thing that we haven't lost our position yet. The 20-day EMA doesn't have a bearish cross with the 50-day EMA. It is very, very good, very, very healthy, and of course, as long as we keep the 20-day EMA above the 50-day EMA, we are absolutely fine. For the commodity channel index, we are near the minus 100. For the RSI, we are between 30 and 70 in the middle. So nothing to worry about having an overbought situation, let's say for example here, so we would get a crash down. Nothing to worry. We still stand above the 200 EMA, the white line you can see here. That's what the 200 EMA we need to keep as a support level. It is very, very crucial for Algorand right now. And we will go to Algorand against USDT, guys, to see some important things. First of all, breaking the 94 cents. I believe we will, guys. I believe we will eventually break the 94 cents, okay? And we need to stop seeing the 50-day EMA as a resistance level. You can see that we are all the time seeing the 50-day EMA as a resistance level. We need to stop seeing this and we need to get higher. Eventually, we will and we can, guys. And I think that we will surpass the 94 cents, and sometime we will just retest the 1.06 USDT around this area right here, guys. If we manage to break even above this target, we will be absolutely fine. Let's go to Bitcoin against USDT to see how it is going on. Right now we are standing above the 50-day EMA. That's good, guys, but this is not the only thing we want. We want a push up, we want a swing high. Having a swing high with a Bitcoin will be such a relief for many other altcoins, including Algorand. If we see a crash for Bitcoin and we go down from 33,000 USDT, because you can see, guys, on a daily basis, I've managed to draw the Fibonacci retracement starting, guys, from this bottom back on December 2018, ending to this top right here, April. The reason is I want to find major support levels as we move downwards, because we are in a bearish market. And if we lose the 33,000 USDT, then we are crumbling back to 26,000 USDT to 28,000 USDT around this area. That means, what does it mean for Algorand? That means we will be seeing a crash down. But before we do that, it is very possible that we have a swing high. Once we have this swing high, then we will be able to go to 1.06. And the reason I believe Algorand can do it is because if we see a bullish recross here, and if Algorand starts to outperform Bitcoin, then we can manage to go there. But we need to see those two factors, okay? We are so close to see the bullish recross, but we don't want to get rejected. And also for Algorand against Bitcoin, we need to move above the 50-day EMA and make this a support level, and eventually we can retest then the 4-hour frame, the 0.4025 to 26. If we don't do that, then we won't be able to go all the way up as we want, okay? And the reason is now that we need to surpass this resistance level, guys. It is because it is very, very important to start making higher lows. This will mean that we will be making clear higher lows, and of course I believe that we can break this target, but we need some momentum going on here, and eventually Bitcoin keep having the swing high or going a bit sideways. It's all right as long as we start to outperform Bitcoin on the 4-hour frame, because you can see here Algorand is outperforming on the daily frame. You can see here, right? Algorand is outperforming on the daily frame, and we are starting to be making higher lows and higher highs. Eventually, for Algorand, what we need to see on the USDT, break the 94, go to the 1.06, break the 1.06, and then, guys, we can move towards the upwards, but we need some momentum first. We are going good, but we are not like other altcoins such as for example, VeChain, that we already saw this bullish recross. We need to see this bullish cross here between the blue line and the signal line for the daily MACD. It is very important, and also for the Bitcoin not to drop down furthermore. It is important as well. For Algorand right now, our next price target is the 1.06. We don't have any overbought situation yet. We like that we are keep having the higher low pattern for the commodity channel index and for the RSI. We want to continue keep going up and eventually, guys, break this resistance level right here and go furthermore towards the upwards. Then we will be surely breaking the 95 cents. Why not start making higher lows and have the bullish cross here between the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA? But for now, Algorand needs some more things, unlike some other altcoins that exploded like 20% you saw here today, guys, like Curve, for example, that went upwards so much. We need to see a momentum like this in order to say that we are having a buying opportunity, and therefore, guys, in order to say that we are absolutely healthy to go to 1.06. I believe this altcoin for the long term. I'm just making an update for the short term. We are good, we have good signs, but we need to see them close together in order to say that we are going upwards. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Remember, patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.